If your battery light has come on your car and the engine is running, then what that means is the battery isn't charging. If your fan belt isn't broken, then there's a very good chance that the source of the problem is the brushes in your alternator. They've been worn away to such an extent that they're not touching the centre spindle of the alternator anymore. The longer you drive it like this, the more likely it is that the car is going to let you down. The car is now running on battery power only. Tapping the outside of the alternator with something hard like a spanner should be enough to vibrate the brushes forward again to make contact. This is very much a get me home option. Although, having said that, my alternator died when I was about 20 miles away from home. I tapped it just like I'm doing here and the alternator started working again because the battery light went out. Since that I've travelled about 50 miles, but that's local driving. So if the battery light did come back on again, I wasn't worried about not getting home. If it works and the battery light goes out in the car, which means that the alternator started to charge again, then this pretty much points to the brushes being the source of the problem. So if you've a bit of a journey to go and the battery light comes on in your car, pull in somewhere safe and try giving the alternator a few taps.